Pregnancy is a truly special time in a woman's life. It's a time of incredible joy and anticipation as you prepare to welcome a new life into the world. As you embark on this journey, it's natural to experience a mix of emotions. You might feel excited, nervous, and maybe even a little overwhelmed. That's perfectly normal. The journey to motherhood is a big one, and it all starts with taking care of yourself and your growing baby. One of the most important things you can do is approach pregnancy with a sense of preparation. Just like you wouldn't run a marathon without proper training, pregnancy requires careful planning and attention to your well-being. This journey begins even before conception with a crucial step called preconception care. This is where you lay the groundwork for a healthy and smooth pregnancy. Think of this time as an opportunity to invest in your health and give your baby the best possible start in life. It's about making choices that support your body and mind throughout this incredible transformation. With the right information and support, you can navigate this journey with confidence and embrace the magic of bringing a new life into the world. Remember, every pregnancy is unique and your experience will be your own. There's no need to strive for perfection. What matters most is that you approach this time with love, care, and a commitment to your well-being. Preconception care is all about setting the stage for a healthy pregnancy. It's a chance to talk to your doctor about any existing health conditions, medications you're taking, and lifestyle factors that might impact your journey to motherhood. This is also the perfect time to address any questions or concerns you may have. Your doctor will likely recommend a prenatal vitamin to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients, especially folic acid. Folic acid is crucial for a baby's developing brain and spinal cord, and it's important to start taking it even before you become pregnant. During this preconception checkup, your doctor will also review your immunization records and make sure you're up to date on important vaccines. Think of this visit as a partnership between you and your healthcare provider. By working together and addressing any potential issues early on, you're taking proactive steps towards a healthier and smoother pregnancy journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your body and its needs is an essential part of preparing for motherhood. Pregnancy is a time to nourish your body from the inside out. What you eat and drink directly impacts your baby's growth and development. Focus on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are crucial for both you and your growing baby. It's also important to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to transport nutrients, flush out waste products, and maintain a healthy amniotic fluid level. In addition to a nutritious diet, regular exercise is highly beneficial during pregnancy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise helps to improve circulation, boost energy levels, and maintain a healthy weight. Pregnancy is a time of remarkable transformation, both physically and emotionally. As your baby grows, your body goes through incredible changes to accommodate and nurture the developing life within you. It's a time when you'll experience a surge of hormones that can bring about a roller coaster of emotions. One of the most obvious changes is the growth of your belly as your baby develops. You'll also notice changes in your breasts, which become fuller and more tender as they prepare for breastfeeding. You might experience some morning sickness, especially during the first trimester, and you might find yourself needing to urinate more frequently. These changes are all perfectly normal, and are a testament to the incredible work your body is doing. It's important to listen to your body and rest when you need to. As your pregnancy progresses, you might experience some aches and pains, such as back pain or swollen feet.